100% eligible you are if you have done 2 years of masters and 3 years of bachelors for the very last time as of now. CIP Rachi 2025 clinical psychology entrance examination forms are out. What is there, what is not there, we will discuss completely shortly. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that I can speak slowly, and we will move forward to the where we will move forward to this thing. Okay, now this is Government of India. This is this applications are invited. Admission to the PG courses 2025 session. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for admission to the following PG of Ranchi commencing from 2nd of June. Okay, so it is commencing from 2nd of June for All India Online Entrance Exam, which will be a CBT to be conducted in following cities. So if you are from this city, Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Ranchi, you are eligible to give exam here only. And PhD in clinical psychology, we are having 4 seats, and for this Mphil in clinical psychology, we are having 21 seats. The duration is 2 years, and see, this is very IMP for most of you, with minimum 55% of marks MA or MSc in psychology course from a recognized university. Okay, apart from this, nothing is that much important to you, but what is more, selected candidates will get scholarship of rupees 25,000 per month. So same as Nimens, you will get over here as well. Okay. Okay, and this is, oh my goodness, this is very IMP that okay. For MPhil Clinical Psychology, certificate of passing MA MSc in psychology on or before 31/3/2025 must be available with the candidate. Okay, so after 31st of March, if you are passing the MA or MSc, you are so sorry, but you will be not eligible to sit for this examination, or they will not consider you even as well. Okay, see, they have mentioned here the candidates who do not fulfill above criteria need not apply. Okay, don't waste your time and their time as well. Need not to apply, so you can switch off the video right now. But if you are someone who have cleared this MA MSc in psychology on or before 31/3/2025, number of seats may vary without assigning any reason, so make sure that you watch this video complete till the end, because we are now moving forward to the prospectus by CIP Rachi. But before that, examination fee is 1000 rupees, 1000 only, and for the OBC, SC and ST candidates are only 500. Okay. Now they have given the exam date as well. From the pool of applicants, suitable candidates would be asked to appear for a CBT, which will be held on 27th of April. Okay, 27th of April 27/4/2025 at the centers chosen given above, and should be held at CIP Ranchi. Between interview is going to happen on 13th to 15th May. The last date of joining the courses is June 30th of 2025. Okay, so make sure that you note down all these things. Make sure that you took the screenshot of all these things. Okay, now let's move forward. The institute maintains 210 bedded hostel. Now this is it. Government of India, Central Institute of Psychiatry, Ranchi 834006. Prospectus, Stream A, PhD Clinical Psychology, MPhil Clinical Psychology. So if you are someone who is opting for this thing, if you have cleared before 31st of March, then good to go. Let's move forward and let's have inpatient care. Nothing of use as of now. Training program, PhD Clinical Psychology, year of starting 1983 it started, 6285, number of seats 4 for the PhD Clinical Psychology, and for MPhil we are having 21 over here. Okay, now this is one of the most important check boxes. Make sure that you took the screenshot. 19/3/2025 online filling of forms is from 19th to 15th of April. Okay, so be ready, be prepared. 15th of April you are going to fill the form for the very last time, and you are having the examination just 12 days after on 27th of 4th 2025. So the papers are already being prepared, they are very fast, so make sure that you are studying properly. Okay, now last date of joining 36/2025, which we have already included before. Now eligibility criteria for applying is MPhil in clinical psychology once again with 55% of marks, and for PhD, you are going to have MPhil in this thing. Now, selection procedure for PhD in clinical psychology, MPhil in clinical psychology courses is for PhD in clinical psychology and MPhil in clinical psychology. There shall be an online computer-based test consisting of 100 MCQ type questions to be answered in 60 minutes. The trick is here only, you are being allotted 60 minutes only. 1 mark will be given for the correct response. No marks would be deducted for the wrong answer. Okay, so you are not having the negative marking over here, which is a very good sign. That is why the time is very less over here. The shortlisted candidates shall be called for practical or interview. The CBT will have questions of MA MSc standards. So no explicit syllabus has been given. MA MSc standard you have to prepare, which includes everything in psychology. The CBT test hold 100 marks and practical interview hold 50 marks. Okay, so we are having the weightage of interview as well. The selection of candidates to the course will be based on total marks obtained in CBT test and practical interview. Okay, so this is the selection procedure. This is selection criteria that you have to give the entrance also as well as the interview also. Now, make sure that you are someone who has cleared MA MSc in psychology on or before 3103-2025 is mandatory. Okay, we don't want you to lag behind, so it is very important that you must ensure that you are following under this criteria. And this is super important checklist of attachments that you should have true scanned copies of all certificates should be uploaded, and all certificates must be self attested. Matriculation certificate for verification of DOB, degree certificate of MAMSC 3103-2025, degree certificate of Mphil, mark sheet, this everything is very IMP over here if you are wherever applicable. Okay, now the admit card and a covering letter having necessary instructions will be made available on CIP website. So make sure that you keep checking this website regular intervals, because they will update everything over here. Okay. So the candidates are strongly advised to visit the CIP website from time to time for relevant information and instructions.